I said that I've got Enyonam here with me. I watch her sometimes on the Ghanaian Farmer right here on Joy Prime, and she's doing incredibly well. Incredibly well. And I want to say, first of all, congratulations to you. Thank you for what you do. It is very obvious you're very passionate about, the agriculture sector of Ghana, and it shows in everything that you're doing. So congratulations to you. Thank you for doing that. But there's something amazing coming up. There's a town hall meeting in Agric coming up. Let's talk about it.
Thank you very much. Good morning to you. You're looking amazing as always.
You.
And good morning to your viewers.
Yeah.
So yes, town hall meeting happening. The youth play a major role in agriculture. Our parents are aging and we need the young people to take over. However, for them to take over, they really need to understand and align with government initiatives and policies.
Okay.
We don't want to do the cutlass and hoe. We want to do mechanized agriculture. We want to do irrigational agriculture. We want to do domestic sales and export. But we need infrastructures in place to attract us to go into the space.
Oh, yeah.
And this government has lined up a couple of initiatives that are directed towards the young people. But there is a bit of communication gap. The youth don't know where to go, who to talk to, what to take along to be able to access this support.
Okay.
So then we approached the ministry and we spoke to Honorable John Dumelo, who is the Deputy Minister for Food and Agriculture. Okay. And Honorable, you are boys. We are with you.
Yeah.
And if you want us to
exactly.
Yeah. If you want us to go into this space,
right,
you need to talk to us.
Okay.
You need to break down what it is you have for the young people. How do we tap into it? So why don't we have a dialogue? Have a seat with us, break down what it is, the packages, the initiatives, and Kukonkitikiti for instance.
Yes.
How do I get my chickens? Which limits or how many can I get as a young person? Do I need to pay any money? Do I need to present any farm registered certificates? Do I need to have the coop already, or you give me the coop? So a lot of people reach out to the Ghanaian Farmer because of the work we do.
You're right.
But we don't have answers. Even if we do, we can't answer on behalf of the ministry.
But with what you're saying, what I'm excited about is the level of interest that they have. Because gone was a time when everything agriculture is left for the rural areas or the rural communities. So looking at, and then the young ones also were not really too interested in agriculture because our mindsets were all about,
Exactly.
And then that was it.
Yes.
But with all that you're saying, it seems that it's not just about having your cutlass, having the hoe, going into the farm to digging up water. There's so much more.
There's a lot to do. There was a lot to do. We have farm administrators. We have Agric engineering, Agric marketers. We have those who specialize in export of the farm produce.
Yeah.
Agrotourism is a niche you can explore. Food processing is a niche you can explore.
Right.
So when farming or agriculture is mentioned, it goes far beyond the plowing of the land, the preparing of your nursery and planting. We have farm hands or laborers who do that. But beyond that, there's a lot more you can explore. And that's why we've taken it upon ourselves to break down the niche and expose young people to some of the endless opportunity you can tap into. But as a private organization, we can't do much. But with the government on board, it will be great for them to collaborate with some of us who are stakeholders to bring the news closer to the doorstep of the young people. And that's why on the 14th of February, start your Valentine's Day with us at the British Council. Okay. Exactly 9 a.m. Okay. You should be there. The hall takes about 250 people, but the number is crazy. Like people who are so much interested. Some are coming from northern region, Volta.
Don't say.
I'm telling you, that is how much people want to talk to the ministry. That is how much people want to engage. Exactly.
They want to be informed.
That's it. Where would they go? Who do they talk to?
Right.
I think, let me use this quick. In Rwanda, we have a whole unit for the young people.
Okay.
So if you want to go into, let's say, guava farming or carrot farming, you go to that unit and they attend to you. They talk to you, they listen to you, their support is given. But here in Ghana, the ministry is one.
Yes.
Even if you go to the district level, they are too busy. The numbers are limited.
Right.
So who attends to the young people? President Mahama, he's a farmer. Honorable Agric Opoku is a farmer. John Dumelo, Deputy Minister, is a farmer.
He is.
They should find a way to create a unit that would solely attend to young people who are into Agric. Because there's a lot we want to ask. There's a lot we want to do, but lack of who do we approach? What do I carry along? Who will be there to assist me? It's becoming a gap that we need to bridge this gap. It's been 6 years of Ghanaian Farmer doing this. Have you heard Agric Ministry have a youth, an ambassador for youth in Agric? Never.
No, I don't think so.
Never. It has never happened.
Yeah.
And we've been working so tirelessly, but as for the Agric Ministry, ambassador,
so is the Agric Ministry not seeing the good work that the Ghanaian Farmer is doing?
Please ask them for me, my sister. Ask.
Are you not seeing?
Ask them for me.
But I think that we should take advantage of this town hall meeting, isn't it?
I'm telling you.
We really have to take advantage of it because something has to happen.
It has to. And it's going to be a nationwide. So if you are in the other part of the country and you can't come to Accra, don't worry. This is the Accra edition. Will be coming to Volta, Central, Western, Northern would come there because everybody's calling it. They are accusing us. How can you do this in Accra? Don't worry, we're coming to you. So again, on the 14th of February, which is this Saturday, by 9 a.m., you should be at British Council. Get your seats and patiently wait for the Deputy Agric Minister. We have some incredible people who will also be joining us, like the CEO of Cosmos Innovation Center, Benjamin Kessie. If you have a brilliant idea, you're looking for funding, Cosmos is into that. You should come. We have Kukubo, Fred Kukubo, who is into farming. He has about 500 hectares of rice in the Volta region. You should come and meet him. You can explore the value chain in rice farming. We have Aram and then we have another lady who is into vegetables. They will be sharing some few tips here and there for you to pick up what you can do. But it's free. You should be there and ask Honorable John Dumelo all the burning questions that you want to ask. You should be there. And he promised to sponsor 2 young farmers on the day.
Which is great. Which is really, really great. Anyways, and thank you. Thank you very much. And thank you for the good work that you're doing. And so the 14th of February will be the town hall meeting, the Agric town hall meeting. That will be happening at the British Council. My name is Esiedua Akomia. We will be right back. Don't go away.